Hi, and welcome to Healthy Home Cooking. Today we're going to unbox the Breville Sous Chef 16 Pro. This Breville machine is going to replace my rinky-dink food processor that I've had for a few years that I knew wasn't up to snuff, but I didn't want to spend the money to get a good food processor at the time. So we saved up our pennies, waited for Amazon to give us $100 off, and we went and we got the Breville Sous Chef 16. We're going to unbox it. I did not get the potato peeler and dice option with it because I felt I wouldn't be using those options very often. So here we go. Okay, as with anything, it's the packaging. So here is the instruction manual. Oh, I'm going to have to lay this down on the side. It's not going to come out the other way. There we go. 4 hands work better than 2. There we go. Well, that was the hard part. So here we go. We'll start with the base of the machine. It's quite sturdy. It takes a little muscle power to move it. And what's really nice about Breville machines is the plug. You can actually, it's designed so that you can put your finger in here and pull it out of the wall so you're not pulling on the cord. So that's just a nice feature Breville throws in. And then you have your main bowl here, which is a 16-cup bowl. And let's see if I can do this without turning it around. That would be a no. But somehow that fits on top of there. Yep, just I'm doing it the right way. There we go. And then turn to lock it. And there should be something up here to unlock the top here. There we go. So we unlock the top, and inside the main bowl we have a smaller 2.5 cup bowl. This is the thing that I am most concerned about because I bought it so that I could have the 2.5 cup bowl to do some smaller items in, and I read some bad reviews that on some of the machines they weren't able to put the blade in and put the lid back on, and they had some real big issues. And we have a plunger here so you can put your smaller items through here, and if you have a big item to slice or dice or whatever, you can put it in there. Now let's take a look at what comes with this machine. Inside this case, which, do they have it taped? Okay, no tape, but they do have the case locked for transport. So we'll just take that off and try again. And here we go. Here is the small blade. And I have been warned that these blades and disc are extremely sharp, so don't touch. And then here is your blade for your 16-cup bowl. And you have your dough blade, which I don't think I'll be using too much. It'll be the processing blades. Oh, here's something I didn't realize I was getting. It's a whisk. So you can whisk things up. And that would be the attachment that goes in for your small bowl, and then your little blade would go on top of that. And here is your slicing disc, and you can set it to slice anywhere from 1 and to all the way to 8, and I'm going to guess that's millimeters. But they said whenever you're storing it, put it all the way back to 0, or when you're washing it, put it back to 0, so that the likelihood of you cutting yourself is greatly diminished. And then back here, looks like we have a brush to help clean. They recommend that you hand wash with hot soapy water everything, because the heat of the dishwasher could damage the plastic. And here's a shredding disc, and it has both the fine shredding and the thicker shredding or grating. That side's really the fine, and then this side would be the bigger. Let's see what's behind there. Oh, that's right, I forgot. And if you're going to make French fries, or I guess anything julienned, yep. So you can julienne any vegetables. So if you're making shoestring French fries, that would work. Oh, what's this? Oh, a handy dandy bowl scraper. That'll be good. And last but not least in here, oh, it's a bigger julienne. So if you want bigger fries, and it looks like I already did cut myself. So before I bleed all over everything, how about we take a break and I will get a Band-Aid. Now I successfully demonstrated how sharp the implements are. Be careful. One thing I really like about this storage case is if you look on the inside, every compartment is labeled so that you can't get your disc mixed up. You just have a place to put everything and everything in its place. So that's kind of neat. I think the one thing I would like to show you so that you can see if it does or doesn't work is I'm going to try to put the little blade into the little bowl here and see if it actually fits or if we have some issues. It probably would help if I would have read the instructions first, but we're going to do this like a man and just go for it. Okay. You know what? I think I'm wrong. That's only for the disc, if you're going to use a disc. I think this guy just fits right in there. I think that is down all the way. I'm used to my old one clicking. This one doesn't click, but it seems that it's down the whole way. Now let's see if the top goes on without issue. Yep, there's issue, but I think that's with me. There we go. I just didn't have it lined up correctly. That doesn't seem to be an issue. So, hey, there you go. I think it's going to work really well. And we'll have to demonstrate it in a recipe soon. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching the unboxing of the Breville Sous Chef 16 Pro. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell. And remember, be healthy and keep on cooking.